Because so many commercial building exterior doors are high traffic or have significant aesthetic value, concealed floor closers are very often used to achieve either or both objectives. Since they are exterior entrances, the closer installations for those openings are at or near the foundation edge. This presents a new set of challenges when trying to set the floor closer. It is crucial that a building foundation and any outside pavers not be joined by the pour of concrete when the closer is set. If that occurs and the outside paver heaves because of environmental changes, the entire cement case will lift with it and the door will no longer function. The closer must be firmly set in the building foundation. This is the stable side. When one side of the closer cannot be affixed to the paver next to the building, a special cement case is used. The 1101 cement case has a wing attached to the building side of the case. Blocking for the cement case is done prior to the foundation pour with wooden frames in place. A two-section space block is made to install the cement case. One part of it is made from one bias and is three-sided. It is the width from the inside of the foundation form to the back side of the angle and cement case. The depth of the form is 1 inch greater than the depth of the cement case. On each end of the form, measure about 1 inch from the bottom of the box and about 1.5 inches from the back of the box. Drill a hole slightly larger than a piece of rebar. Insert a section of rebar about 8 inches longer than the box itself. This will aid in adding strength to the rough pour material and the secondary pour material. Using the architectural control lines, determine where the doors and closers will be. Line up the top of the cement case form with the foundation edge form. Attach the wooden block in place. Concrete is then poured. Care should be taken that there is no concrete inside the wooden form. The second part of the form is metal with 4 sides. Its size is determined by measuring from the exterior side of the foundation form to the width needed to accommodate the cement case dimensions. After the concrete is set, all of the pour forms are removed. With anchor bolts, attach the metal section of the steel form to the exterior edge of the foundation. The cavity will remain until the frames are set to hang the door. Once the frame is in place, mask off the connecting points of the foundation and metal form. Also mask the top of the closer and case. Use a quick spotter installation kit to complete the installation. To level the closer on the foundation side, use the leveling screws provided. On the void side, use wooden shims to level. You are ready to do the secondary pour to set the closer.